Congratulations to everyone who mined cats, as the cats token has just been listed. And in this video, I will be trading my cats token live and direct. But there is one very important question. Could this be another hamster comeback? What if the cats token trades at 0.001? Lord, please save my soul. I'll be doing a live practical with gate.io and also with Bybit, and I will show you every step right in this video. And after this video, we shall find out if we shall mine cats season 2 or not. Let's get started right now. Okay, so straight and direct to the point, we are just minutes away from the listing and the official trading of cats. Okay, and right here you can see that this is gates.io, and looking at my spot, when I come to spot, you can see I have 38,699 cats right here. Okay, now let me head over to Bybit. This is Bybit, and you can see my assets. Let us go home first of all. From home here, click on assets, and from assets is going to be on account, most likely like this. Just click on assets and you are going to see cats. I also have 11,722 cats right here, and you can see vividly we don't know the amount in USD. Same applies to gates. We don't know the amount in USD. Now I'm going to tell you some few things you need to do in preparation of this trading. What are you going to do for this trading to be okay for you? Click on it. If you're on gates.io, click on it and you will see that you can see spot trading right here. This is a shortcut for you to just head over and start trading. If you don't have it, just in case if you don't have it for whatever reason, please make sure to update your app. But it should be there. You can just click here directly and you see yourself in CAT/USDT spot trading. Okay, that is the first way to get to this place. But let's say it's not showing there. How do you get to that place? Come to this place written trade, click on it, and you will see yourself in the spot trading. Now you come here. If it's not CAT/USDT that is showing, just search CAT/USDT. This is it right here. You can see the amount of time left. And once it's like this, the next thing you're going to do is what? Come here and click on what? Sell. Stay in sell. And note that this limit order doesn't execute immediately. So make sure you change it to what? Market, smart market. This one is instantly. It's as if you go to the market and buy stuff instantly. Okay, while limit is like setting the price and allow it hit a particular place before you buy or sell. Okay, so make sure that yours is in smart market. That is if you're using what? Gates.io. Okay, right here you can see that the trading just started. This is 11. Okay, and first of all, like I said before, from buy, enter sell, and you can see my cards right here. Okay, convert limit to market, and then we go this way to maximum cards. You can see what 11,000 cards is what? 2.41. Okay, now hold on. Let's go to gates.io. Okay, this is gates.io right here. And like I said before, stay here. Smart market will get all of it right here. And you can see that this is what? 7 USDT. It's changing real fast. Look at this right here. Man, I just have to sell this right now, man. Sell cards, bro. Sell. So I paste my fund password and I click on sell. Order fulfilled. Another breakfast served. In fact, as I was selling self, the market even dropped it down to $4. If I see any cat meow, if I see any cats, we waka pass my side, we do meow come my. If I see any cats, or in fact any animal at all, what I see for my side this period, whether cats or goats or lion or, it's okay. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.